Hey you guys, this is a video of tips and tricks of how to draw a cone. This was something I wish I would have learned when I was your age and still use today when I am trying to draw things. I'll do a draft form. So let's start with a cone. And a cone, I like to start it with the letter I. And when I start something with the letter I, that gives me an axis point of measurement, a straight up and down line. And when you have a cone, you have the base is wider than the top and it comes to a point. Now you want to make sure that that base is equal distance on both sides. So what's on this side is on that side. Otherwise it won't end up being a perfect cone. My next step is going to be to pull those corners up and down like that. And then my next step is going to be to make an ellipse at the base as if it is the circle bottom but seen from a slight side view. And that ellipse you want to be equal on one side and the other, both top and bottom, side to side. You want that to be equal. If it's not, sometimes you can go back and kind of correct that, especially as you shade. So I do notice my edge here kind of bows outwards. I have a tendency to kind of slant as I draw, so I'm going to straighten that up a little bit. All right, so that is my cone. I'm going to draw a couple more just to kind of speed it up and show you guys how I would do this on kind of a faster method. Draw my eye, making sure that it's straight up and down. Find the measurement, equal balance. An ellipse. And I would go from there. So that's just kind of a basic way. Without that technique, what you end up with is maybe a cone that might look something like that. Or you might end up with a cone that looks like that. So you have to draw that inside view and that eye shape to make sure that it's standing straight up and that it has form to it that's natural and symmetrical. So that is how to draw a cone.